Okay, so as a follow-up to my first video, how many years or how much time is between GPU upgrades I think you should upgrade? How about I do a CPU upgrade? So on average, for the average gamer, I'd say you upgrade your CPU every 5 years, because CPUs don't get used as much in games. Of course, there's some exceptions, but not as much. Big data centers, I'd say like 3 years, because they use all their stuff. Um, and then the really hardcore ones, upgrade every year if you really need to, but overall, when your CPU starts getting unsupported and it starts getting laggy, upgrade. And if you want to hear some more about upgrading CPUs, GPUs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and hit 200 subscribers by the end of the summer. I think that's a pretty fair goal. I think we can hit it, don't you? Oh, and also, join Discord. Link is in description.